Hello guys, welcome to History Tech, and today I'm gonna show you on how you can use your Huawei P20 to the full functionality. So these are the top 5 I liked about the Huawei P20, and I'm gonna show it to you and share it to you. Okay, so number 1, if you don't like your notch, the top one, head to the settings and display, then hit the notch. By default it will be normal, but if you click the hide notch, it will create a dark background on top of the screen. So as you can see, there is no notch anymore, so it has a dark background. Okay. Number 2, if you don't like the navigation on the bottom of the screen, you can change and hide it and use the home button with everything. What you can do, just go to settings, go to system, and then click the system navigation and turn the off-screen navigation button on. Then it will hide the navigation bar. To use your home button, you will need to swipe to the left or right to open all your apps in the background, or all your apps in the background. To go back to the previous page, press the home button slightly and press it firmly to go back to the home page. Number 3, to do the screenshot, you need to press the down volume button and the unlock button at the same time. And there you go, so you will have the screenshot. You can also see it on your notification panel. Just drag it down and it will be there too. Number 4, this is what I really like, a color mode. So you have 3 options on your phone to set the screen to anything you are comfortable with. Head to display, click eye comfort, click color mode and temperature, and you can change it to anything you want. Number 5, this is the best one, the camera. So open your camera and swipe to more. It's just going to be on right, and there you can download all the functionality of the Huawei camera, like scan, night shot, and even watermark, which I can't find anywhere like iPhone or Samsung. It's just on the Huawei. Okay, so that's it. So that's the top 5 things I want to share with you in terms of using your Huawei P20. So if you enjoy this video, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe so you can see what's happening on my channel. Okay, thank you again and goodbye.